At ZEST, we supply about 500 garden centres across the UK with quality garden products, and also we've just launched our own e-commerce website. We wanted to get an understanding of product innovation and design. So after visiting Cardiff Met for the first time, we decided to have a competition with their second year students and who could design the best garden product. But in year 2, we did a SMART partnership where Luke, the student, came on board with us for 6 months. From that, we're now still selling a product that he designed then, which is the Noah's Arbour, and that's one of our best sellers last year. We then took Luke on a 2-year KTP, and it's really from there we've snowballed into having 2 designers and a design manager on board.
Prior to the KTP, the business was very good at producing what we would call Me Too products. So you could predict what would be in the product catalogue because you've seen it all before in other garden centres. And the business, I think, had reached a kind of a glass ceiling of growth. And this is where we were able to say to the company, look, we need to do some market research. We need to understand the end user. We need to be able to develop brand new product ideas which your competitors haven't even thought of yet. And we can begin to build ZEST up as a household brand.
After we first started working with Cardiff Met on the KTP, we've gone from 1 employee to 6 employees in that department. The design team are absolutely key to the growth and sustainability of the company. So the design shed is somewhere fairly inspirational for them to live and breathe innovation.
To work for ZEST with the design facility like this, having marketing and design all in one place, I think it's setting out where ZEST is going to go in the future. So this space is really nurturing the design thought and the space to be creative. We've got our workshop where we can prove and test things, and it's a great space to welcome our suppliers. The vision for ZEST is to be the first choice in outdoor living. So innovation and product development is key in us achieving that goal.
ZEST as a business is really invested in this creative process, and they're reaping the benefits, and there's some wonderful new product ideas which are emerging based on this knowledge of what they think the end user will want and have a deeper understanding of market trends, so they're able to predict what the market will want 12 months or 18 months ahead.
The benefits of working with Cardiff Met ultimately is just giving us the confidence for the company to become a market leader in the garden product sector. And I would recommend anybody that wants to develop innovation and product design within their business is to contact Cardiff Met.